What's going on, guys? What about I told you not drinking iced coffee alone during your working years would net you over $1 million in your retirement? And not just that, but here's a picture of what it could buy. A paid off house, a paid off Lamborghini, and cash to boot. My name is William Dauria. Let's get to it. According to WUSA 9, the average price of iced coffee is $3.25. Now, that comes out to $3.52 with tax. Per week, that comes out to $17.60. Per month, that comes out to $76.47. And per year, that comes out to $917.66. Now, that doesn't count any form of inflation over your working years, and last year alone, the price of coffee went up 20%. The total cost you'll spend in coffee of your working lifetime is approximately $44,965.34. I tried to memorize that and I just couldn't do that without looking over and reading it. And here's where it gets interesting. If you were to take in that same money that you would have bought iced coffee with during your working years and invested it into a Roth IRA. Now, the Roth IRA typically yields between 7 and 10% a year. So we'll cut that down the middle and we'll say 8.5% return. You would have a whopping difference between buying the coffee or investing and coming out with your retirement nest egg. You would have an additional, get this, $965,034.70. And assuming that coffee prices go up just by inflation alone, like I said, they went up 20% last year alone, but let's assume they go up with inflation. So we have a total of 49 working years. That's between ages 18 years old and 67 years old. So with inflation between the first year and the 49th year, we can't split it down the middle because the way the Roth IRA works is the earlier you can put the money in, the faster it'll grow. So if we split it down the middle, it's not really fair, but we'll take the average of year 10 out of 49 and we'll run with that average, because the way the calculator works is you have to put in a number that you're going to be depositing per year. You can't really change it per year. That's not really the way the calculator works. So for this example, we're going to go with the 10th year of the 49th, and we're going to run with that for the entire time. Okay, and that's going to be a good average of what we're putting in. Obviously, a lot more is going to go in, but it's going to go in towards the end, and it's not going to have time to build up the compound interest that is really, really important in this factor. So year 10, we have $1,410 per year spent in coffee. That's the number we're gonna run with for the Roth IRA contribution throughout your entire working career. We're gonna use that as a good average number. That number, assuming you don't drink any iced coffees and you take that money instead from the beginning of your working career to the very end and invest it, you will come out with a whopping $1,010,000 for retirement. And if you do the math in reverse and you said, I want my iced coffee, I don't care about retirement, I'm going to do what I want to do regardless, that's cool, but just keep this in mind. Doing the math backwards and buying iced coffees instead of investing in something like Roth IRA will cost you per coffee for the rest of your life the equivalent of $78.28 per coffee. So basically look at it like this. If you have a coffee and say, I really want that today, and it is worth $78.28 to you, still, then it is worth it. If not, skip it. Put it into your future. It's going to pay dividends in the future. And we're just using coffee here as an example today. This can be done on all kinds of things. Take your cable bill, for instance. I know you spend probably more than $3.25 on your cable bill a day. Some of you spend more than double that. Imagine if you just cut cable alone and put that in. We made $1 million, over $1 million on coffee alone. If cable was cut from the ages 18 to the day you retired, the number could be and would be absolutely staggering. Matter of fact, I just did the numbers on the cable alone. If you were to cut cable alone and put it into your retirement, if you're young enough and you have all of your working years ahead of you, the number comes out to a ridiculous $1.59 million at retirement just for not watching TV. That's all we got today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, my name is William Dauria. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know down below what you think about this, and could you stop drinking coffee or could you stop watching TV? Let me know what you guys think, and as always, thanks for watching.